What's up, guys? In today's video I'm going to install rear splitters on the rear bumper of my car. It goes on the sides of the rear bumper, so it should be interesting. I already test fitted it and it looks really good. Has a nice flow with the black exhaust tip to the black mud flap. So yeah, they were cheap, like 16 bucks, so let's install them. They look pretty good. They're really glossy. But yeah, they go right here. Let's see if we can it's like a perfect fit. It's a lot glossier than the mud flap and the exhaust tip, but it still looks really good. And just really excited about the fitment. So we're gonna go ahead and put them on. And yeah, it should be simple. It's so subtle, you can't even really notice it. I mean, I don't know. I like it. Looks good. It fits really good, and like, I'm so surprised for it being universal and all, you know. Cool. I like that. It's simple. I like it a lot. You can really see how ashy the exhaust tips are.